they can to keep this team at bay, not making it easy for them to get that ticket into Premiership football. As they try to keep it in play, they go on to lose possession. But now that good delivery, and it has out of words, but finally it is a goal. Somewhat confusion there right in front of goal for Herentals. Disappointing but exciting for Scotland fans. Hopefully he's okay, recover soon. But another opportunity, and it is a goal for Scotland. And the fans are excited. Definitely they are murdering the competition. Leroy Mavunga finally scoring for Scotland in this quiet encounter. The first half, they were equal in terms of creating opportunities. There, once again, here's the replay. Good pairing. That assistance from Nadolo.